Hello Chosen Ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to get Cinderbloom in Witchspire. To find Cinderblooms, you'll need to travel to a specific location on the map. If you've established your hearth in the area shown here, then you're already fairly close, as the Chirilli crater can be found just to the northeast. If you're still early in your playthrough, you can simply make the journey on foot. Since I already have a broom unlocked, I'll be using it to get there a bit faster. Once you arrive at the crater, head toward the entrance located along its side and make your way inside. As you explore the area, you'll come across clusters of fiery flowers growing throughout the crater. These are the Cinderblooms you're looking for. Cinderblooms are an important crafting resource used in several key structures that contribute to your progression, so it's a good idea to gather as many as you can carry while you're here. This will save you from making multiple trips later when those materials become necessary. And that's about it on how to get Cinderbloom in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.